viral posts required, no trending products, no late nights editing content or chasing algorithms, just metal boxes that sit in convenience stores dispensing cash, depositing money into my bank account.
When's the last time you took out money from the ATM?
This country, you gotta make the money. Then when you get the money, you get the power. Then when you get the power, then you get the money.
Welcome to Ortega's World, and today we have another video for you guys. And today we will be talking about the ATM business. This one is very special for you guys because I know a lot of people who want to get into this industry. Hey, they say ATMs print money. I'm here to break the myth, bro. I'm here to make you sad today. How an ATM business works, operates. A lot of business people love to paint the roses on businesses, and some people who teach you this business, their business model is you're the business, not the business itself. Now, an ATM machine costs what? $2,000 all the way to $8,000? Next step, find a location. Almost every location is taken, bro. There's so many banks, there's so many places with ATMs. What makes your ATM special? You're gonna magically find a location, a high traffic area, because finding a location, it's hard, but then also finding a high traffic location is even harder. In the ATM business, bro, basically, you're the one putting your money in there. $2,000 to $3,000, $4,000, and you're making money from every transaction. Let's say you have a transaction of X amount, you're taking a percentage fee, $2, $3, $4, $6, and you're surviving off the little margins that people are getting from their transactions. And that's just with one machine. Imagine having 2, 3, 4, 5 machines, 6 machines, 10 machines, having $3K in each machine. Let's do the math. $3,000 in one machine, $30,000 in the street right now. And then the hardest part, you have to give 25, 50, 30% of the money you're making to the owner of the location. So you're taking all the risk. Your bank account is out of money because it's in your ATM machine. And to those people who do business, they understand having money in the street is stressful as bro, because you don't know what could happen, bro. Everything is digital, bro. Everything's going digital, bro. Apple Pay, Zelle, Cash App. Only time I use an ATM is when I'm in a foreign country. And I don't even trust ATMs because there's so many scams, bro. The ATM business has gone so low, bro, due to all the scams that exist. How many videos have we seen of somebody putting a skimmer in a machine? Just like the vending machine business, this business also is fried and oversaturated. Don't do it, bro. These machines are heavy. They take a lot of your money. They take a lot of your time because these things break all the time, bro. And let's say you don't know, you're not mechanically inclined, who's gonna fix it? Now you have to wait till somebody comes and fixes it. But my advice, don't do it. I rate this business 3 out of 10. And if somebody's trying to tell you or sell you a course on how to do an ATM business, the business isn't the ATM, you're the business, you're getting finessed. ATMs aren't COVID proof, and that's something you need to look at every business. The business is not COVID proof. I'm gonna say that every video because I want you guys to understand that lockdowns are real. So if it's not COVID proof, don't do it. And if you guys aren't liking, subscribing, commenting, come on, bro, support the movement. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to Ortega's World. And I hope you guys learn from my mistakes. It's Ortega's World, and we're...
There is no nobility in poverty. I have been a rich man and I have been a poor man, and I choose rich every fucking time. Because at least as a rich man, when I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch.